Hello everyone, how can you also make other please you can also do other things in the summer if you have a DC motor and a battery at home you fan will be ready. Let's show the other DC motor with tape. It is very simple and negative and positive wire connect. It is very simple and attach tape on battery. Then take another piece of cardboard and make a fan and a quick and glue gun attach. Use EKV or other attachment from a glue gun as shown in the video and attach very quick glue gun. Look, you can also make other table fans at home. It is very simple. If you like the video, please channel my subscribe and like it. May God bless you and protect you all. Let me know what you think of this video by commenting, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like it. God bless you.